Caught it just in time. Check that out. It's a tiny ketchup for an itty bitty burger. Oh yeah, this wrong video. My bad. So you might be wondering where I was. Did I disappear? Last week I didn't upload, and that's because I was in the mystical land of York, Pennsylvania. Woo, crazy, right? Yeah, while I was there, I was working at a nursing home, and I was talking with the elderly people, just hanging out with them, having a good time. So you can assume how that went. Hello, my name is Oswald Demetrius Glucksworth III, and you are? My name's Zach. Did you say Shaq? No, I said my name's Zach. Of course. My bad. Funny, back in my day, I knew a Shaq. Yep. So, to say the least, I had a blast. It wasn't that awkward, and they knew my name was Zach. I'm just over-exaggerating it a little bit. But I hope you guys are having fun on your summer vacation. Maybe you're going to the beach, traveling, maybe grilling, or even making snowmen. I mean, wait, you don't grill during the summer? Ugh, what was I thinking? Stupid. So anyways, there's only so many... Did you guys hear that? Hold on. Ah! Peach Ghost, what are you doing in there? Oh, alright, well, see ya. Oh, hey, how you guys doing?
I'm tired.
Great, awesome.
I'm tired.
Not what I was looking for, but I'll talk to you later. Oh, dang.
Hey, don't do that to me, boy. Boy, you better not do this.
Sorry.
That's right, you get away from me, boy.
Where is that sound coming from?
I'm tired.
I don't know.
Well, for goodness sakes, if anybody has any idea where that Oh, Sheldon, you're back. Oh my gosh. That makes sense. I know. Guys, it's Sheldon.
I'm fired. I'm fired. I'm fired.